Assalamu alaikum friends, my name is Mohammad Yunus and I am Odoo technical developer. So if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please click the red subscribe button to subscribe to our channel and also click the bell icon so that you can get the updates of the upcoming videos as we are working on Odoo 16 technical course. So where we are regularly updating new videos. So in the previous video we have customized the Odoo search view and we have added the new field inside the search view. In this video what we are going to do is to add a menu item and an action to show you some different view. So like we have added a menu item and action, like you can see consumable products with um, with Odoo debug mode, but in this video we are going to do it with a custom module. So this is a bit technical video, so you need to watch it till the end. So the first thing that you need to do is to find the code of the menu item. So if you go and search these menu items, so first we need to activate the developer mode, and then we need to go to the settings, uh, and here under the technical we will see uh, uh, here user interface and then menu item. So here search for products, okay, and then open this first yeah, link. Okay, so here you can see the menu name is products and this is the path. So if we go to the here we can see first the main parent menu is sales, and then the parent menu is sub menu is products, and then the child menu is products. So here this is the one that we are looking for, and here is the full path: sales, parent menu, sub menu, and then child menu. Okay, and this is the action that is linked with it, which we will discuss in this video. So first of all we need to find out the external ID of this menu item. So go here and then find the external ID. So this is the external ID of this menu item and this is the module name. So where we can find this menu item, we can find it inside the sales module. So go here and search inside the sales module. Where is the sales module? Here is the sales module. Open it and then go to the views and search it here. So in order to use the shortcut, you can use Control Shift F to search the code. So here we pasted the external ID and just open this record. Okay, so this is the menu item which we are looking for. So let me just copy it, and we just need to copy it and paste in our custom module. So our custom module name is OD product, and we need to go to the views python dot product.xml file, and inside the product.xml file we have this code which we have already added, and at the bottom we need to add this menu item code. So we just need to make some changes inside this menu item external ID and then action. So here we can add like product template, menu product template services. So what we want to do, let me just explain a bit. So we want to add a new menu item here just after the products with the name services, like services products, and we want to show the products with like type is equal to, here the type is equal to service. Okay, so for this purpose we need to change the external ID to make it a unique like menu product template service, and here we need to change this one. We want to add here service action menu product template service action. Okay, and then just make it 11, increase the sequence. So just go to the Odoo apps and upgrade the module. Okay, this is the module. Click the upgrade button to upgrade the module. So the module has been upgraded, I think so. So it is not yet upgraded. Okay, so we got an error message. What is the error? So let me just check. So here we can see here is the problem is inside this external ID not found here. So here we have added the action, but the action we have not yet defined. So what we need to do, which action we need to call? Actually we need to call this like products menu action. It will be the same, but only we need to make the change inside the domain. So how we can find it? We can find it like here. If we go to the settings and then go to actions and then window actions, here we need to search products. Okay, and we can just find the action menu. And the second way to find it is like this is the products view. If you click on the products and then click this debug icon, and you need to click here edit action to find the external ID. So here you can find the external ID of this action, and then you can go here and just put it like this. So it will not be searched with the ID. You just need to add here with the ID, but we can find it inside the py charm. It is actually defined inside the sales module. So you just need to go here, go to the sales module where it is the sales module like sales and then views, and then search for this action. So here we can see this is the menu, and then here we can see menu again, and here we can see action window. So this is the action that we need to use. So let me just copy the whole code from here, and then go to our custom module, which is uh, OD product, and go to views product.xml, open it, and just add this action code here. Copy or select all the code, and then click here, reformat the code. So here this is the external ID which we have used here in this menu item. So we just need to make it same. So copy it and then paste it here. Here we can see products, so we need to make it service products, service servic, and this will remain the same. All the rest of the things will remain the same. Okay, uh, this is it. Okay, but one thing we forgot here is like to add uh, the parent menu ID. So here in this case, if we go here, go to the menus, menu item, products, and then open the product. So here we can see the parent menu, and if you go here, this is the parent menu actually. If we go here and view metadata, this is the ID of the parent menu. So we just need to copy it from here, and then add here parent is equal to this one. So if you want to format it, select it, and then reformat the code like this. So this is it, and we don't need, no, we don't want to make any other changes here. We just need to upgrade the module to see the changes. So go to apps, click the upgrade button to upgrade the module. Let me see if we got any further errors. So so the module has been upgraded successfully. Okay, and let me go here and refresh the page, and here you can see service products like this. So you can see the service products, and in this case, so if I just click on the product, you can see I can see the form view of the product. So this is how it works, and how you can create a new action and new menu item. So here we can make changes in this one, like we will edit like services, okay, like this. And you can make changes in this text, and we can so this is it. And in the next video what we need to do is to add like a domain in this action to only search to only show the products that are of type services. So currently we can see all the products, like 30 products. So if you go to the products, we can see 30 products. If you go to the services, we can see 30 products. So it shows all the products that we can see from the products menu. But here in this case we have not yet added the domain. So in the next video we will discuss about the domain. So don't forget to subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon so that you can get the update of the next video. Thank you.